Hello guys, welcome back to CAD with a new video. In today's video, we're going to design a Spur gear in Fusion 360 with help of essential parameters and module to bring our design to life. I hope you'll enjoy it. Now, if you're ready, let's get started. Here we see the different tabs containing different commands like solid, surface, and mesh, etc. Here we go to Utilities tab and click on Add-ins. Scroll down. Here we see the Spur gear. Click on this tab. Here are the parameters of Spur gear. We will do some change in it to create a new type of Spur gear. In standard, choose metric. Pressure angle we set as 20 degrees. Module is 1.5. Number of teeth are 24. Backless we keep the same 0.0. Root fillet radius here we see. We keep it 0.5 millimeters. Gear thickness is 7 millimeters. Hole diameter here we see in the diagram. It says 10 millimeters. The pitch diameter is 36 millimeters. Here we see in diagram. Click OK. Zoom it like this to see it more clearly. Select this circle and click here. Click Hide Sketches. Here we see it looks perfect. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comments. Thanks for watching.